So stop asking God for money. It's like a fat person asking God to be thin while eating McDonald's, drinking soda, lying on the couch, doing nothing. God can't make you thin while you keep living the same way. What he can do is give you wisdom to make better choices, to live differently, to think differently. And it's the same with your finances. You're praying to God, God, make me rich, give me money, bless my business, but you keep doing the things that keep you struggling. Think about it. Every decision that you've ever made has brought you to this point in your life where you are right now. You're feeling stuck. And just like losing weight, you've got to understand how it works, how to live in alignment with the truth. And it's no different with your money in the kingdom. God has given us a blueprint, but churches don't teach it. Your parents didn't teach it to you. Nobody's actually shown you how money works in the kingdom, how the financial system operates. And that's what we do inside Better Days. We help you renew your mind, understand kingdom finance, align your life so God's blessing can finally flow to you. So join the Better Days community, links in the bio. Have an awesome day. God bless.